we have Aunt Shirley here, my little lady doll, and we're getting ready to restring her. I've lassoed my husband into helping me do this. He's a little bit more mechanically inclined. So he's going to get ready, and we're going to do the arms first, attach the arms first. Do you want this clamp?
I'll use this.
This is a pretty simple restringing from everything that we've seen.
Yeah, didn't do it real tight, just
enough to, yeah.
Just enough to hold it.
And to have good tension. Be able, the tension will keep it
This is
on.
where
I love this little tool.
we'll see.
I guess it goes to the end there. First time we're using this tool. This is, we haven't done a lot of bodies before. Actually, we did an antique composition doll years ago, so this is the second restringing that we've done. We're not experts at by any stretch of the imagination here. We want a good
So
tension
hold it through.
Hold her arms nice so she can move them and they're not hanging.
Do a little square knot
Well, where are you going to put this one? You're going to put
inside
this
the
on.
square knot.
You're going to put it inside the square knot. Oh, okay.
Other videos I've watched, they've used 2 of these clamps.
Right, I thought about getting another one, and at the time with this doll, I thought, well, gee, I don't know if I needed to, I guess.
There. This is where you'll help me here. You take this. I don't know if you want to. And you want to hook it in there. Underneath, no,
Underneath this way?
on the between the body and the hemostat, right in there.
I can't. Maybe if I pull it.
Nope, you're not going to be able to. Just put it in there on the underside and then come right in. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Perfect.
That's what we want.
Now, pull the knot. Okay.
Is that going to be tight enough?
Can you put the knot inside? Just fold them in. There you go. All right. We didn't show you all the editing, but there we got our arms looking better.
Yeah, they were a little floppy the first time.
We had a few extra strings.
Yeah, but it looks good now.
Moving on.
Seems this is a two-person operation, at least for us, anyway. Basically, this makeshift tool to pull the cord through. Already taking it to the back of it, and up, and the head will be attached, and then this particular head has one hook on them. Apparently, some of the older composition bisque head dolls had 2, but this one just has 1.
I'm just going to close the hook just a little. Not too much. And we're gonna pull this through.
Do you want this up? She's sleeping peacefully while she's going through this operation here.
All right. So, see if we can make this one a little more snug than the arms were the first time. And tie a square knot.
The right leg going in the right direction.
You got the leg, can you work on that? We're gonna pull this through. You're gonna hook it.
This is where my hand get in the way.
Well, that's where you use the hemostat.
Oh, that'll even hook that, okay. Oh, good, success on one.
Hold this. Okay.
That's not gonna be too loose, I think.
I don't know.
Huh. Looking good. Looking good. Our amputee here. Will be made
Now,
whole.
this one's had a little more bendies in it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to fix that before.
That must have been one where they knotted it on that side and did all the action. Well, I'm so excited about this part of the process. This is a big deal for me.
Yeah, she's been in pieces for a while.
Yeah, 20 years. Well, I've had her 20 years. I can't say before I had her how many pieces, how long she was in pieces. Somebody who was afraid to undertake this, or, you know, what's really good now is the videos that are out there. When we restrung this antique doll about 20 years ago, there were no videos that we had to watch. We had to read and read and read, and it was trial by error. But right now, there are a lot of good videos out there.
All right. So now I'm going to try to pull this out, and I'll use the hemostats to lock it in place.
Okay.
Okay, that's not working so good.
Oh, wow.
Hold her.
Should we check the tension before you cut everything off? Oh, look at that. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Her head poses. She's a little bit stiff, but not really. It's going to loosen up real quick.
Yeah, no, I like her this way. She can sit up straight. And
And now you've got a
her
little
head can
naked
be
doll.
tilted. And wow, there you go. There you have it. Oh, she's out of the picture.